Here is the main character for this video. Now, let's go to the Crockers channel analytics. He has uploaded 618 videos. He now has 118k subscribers with a total view of 20,046,793 views. He's from US. And his channel type is people. He created his channel since April 16, 2015. The grade he got is B. And his social blade ranking is at 253,511th. The subscriber ranking is 204,648th, and then video view rank is 250,823rd. He ranked at 38,650th in US and 33,368th in people. Next, the daily subs for the Crockers is around 67 with a daily view of 17,568. Now let's talk about how much money is he making on YouTube, and this is going to be an estimate. So, the daily view is 18,000. A YouTuber will get $4 every 1,000 views. Therefore, the daily earning will be $72. Then, monthly income will be $2,160. Don't forget that YouTube get the cut of the revenue for 45%. Now, monthly income will be $1,188 after the cut. And as for the yearly income will be $14,256. That is how much the Crockers earns from YouTube.